Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Today I have something really special for you. This used to be my old Lowrider bike when I was a kid. Every single part I had to earn the money to buy the part to build this bike little by little, so it took me a while. And as I got older and started traveling, I asked my brother if he could please, store it for me in his garage. And I'll come back and get it one day. Unfortunately, his garage caught on fire, and so in the end it's just a bike. I'm glad my brother was okay, but as you can see, there was a lot of parts that were damaged and melted and rusted from I didn't take care of it and stuff. So when I finally got the bike back, I said, you know what, I'm gonna do something with this. I'm gonna make this a project bike. And so that's what I got for you today. I'm restoring my old Lowrider bike. I'm giving it a more modern look. For these parts I had to sand down and repaint. Some of them I just had to go ahead and replace. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up now and let you watch the magic. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you like this bike, and thanks for watching.